Hey guys, welcome back. In this channel, we make programming super easy, and today we will learn about heading tags in HTML. What are heading tags? Heading tags in HTML are simply used to create titles and subtitles on a website. So if we want to add a title on our website, we will use the heading tag. To write a heading tag, first write your opening tag. Write H1 inside a set of angle brackets. Writing the open tag should automatically write the closing tag for you in your code. If not, then write your closing tag. Write a set of angle brackets. Inside the angle brackets, first write a forward slash. We must write a forward slash for a closing tag. Then write H1. And finally, write your text in between the two tags, not inside any angle bracket. In between. I got the code, and if we run this, we can see our title on our website. In HTML, there are 6 levels of heading tags, H1 to H6. The higher the number is, the smaller its size gets. So H1 is the largest one, H2 is the second largest, H3 is the third largest, H4 is the fourth largest, H5 is the fifth largest, and finally, H6 is the smallest one. If we compare the H1 and H2 tags with each other, we can see the difference in size on our web page. The H1 tag is bigger. Here, I have a code that contains all the heading tags from biggest to smallest in size. If we run this, we can see our title texts on our website go from big to small. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thanks for watching.